It's learning time with Tutor Gracey. It's all about the sound. Let me hear you say it. Repeat it again. Great. Letter H makes the sound, and the action for the sound is act as if you're panting after a race. Hold up your hand and open your mouth and saying, I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. Great! Let's look at words that begins with the sound as in hat, hat, as in hop, hop, as in helicopter, helicopter, as in harp, harp, as in hammer, hammer, as in horse, horse, as in house, house. It's quiz time. Look at the image and say the word. Are you ready? Let's test your knowledge. What can you see? Harp. Good, you got it. What can you see? Hat. You got it. What can you see? Let me hear you say it. Horse. Nice job. What can you see? House. Excellent. You did it. If you did it all along, you've earned a gold star. Congratulations. I want you to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.